As I said earlier today, the one thing that we all have in common is the same amount of time. Everybody in this room has the same amount of time. Do you agree with that? So it's the great equalizer. It doesn't matter where we came from, what our background is. We all have the same amount of time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 30 days a month, and 365 days a year. We're all equal. It's what we do with that time. Now, the proverbial question is, why do some people with that time succeed and others not? Many people work very hard at the business, but some seem to rise to the top and aspire to great success and great freedom, while others put time in and it doesn't seem to materialize from them. Would you agree with that? Isn't that something that happens? And it's kind of a mystery to people. Why does that happen? Is it because one person was better than the other, talented, smarter? I submit to you that that's not true at all. It's how they use their time. It's how they prioritize their time. And let's take, a look at how it actually works. We all have 24 hours a day. 7 hours is spent sleeping. Okay? Maybe it's 8, maybe it's 6, but it averages 7. 1 hour then is dedicated to bathing, grooming, dressing, etc. We got to get ready. Okay, so that's 8 hours total. So then we have 2 hours eating, 1 hour socializing, chit-chatting with our friends, and 4 hours leisure. Well, that used to be watching TV. Hopefully you go to the portal or a social media source. But that's 7 hours that's spent, okay, and kind of downtime, eating, socializing, leisure time. And then another 8 hours is spent on the job. Most people have a job, right? And of course, we have to get to the job and we have to get back. They don't pay you for that, but you need to do it. So that's another hour. A total of 9 hours spent work-related. So you add that all up, it's 24 hours. 8 hours, 7 hours, and 9 hours. The whole day was eaten up. You didn't have any time to pursue the business, to pursue your dreams, to pursue your goals. Okay? So there's no time left for the big things in life. We did all the things we had to do. We did all the things that were required of us. And we went through our day busy, consumed, okay? But we didn't have any time to change our life or to pursue our dreams. I call them the big rocks in life. The big things, important things. Market America can be that because it can translate into any dream or any life or anything that you want to accomplish. The big rocks, the big goals, what your life is about, what you want to do with your life, the big projects, your identity. Okay, let's call them the big rocks. Now, we've come to learn that if we put them in first, everything else will still fit. But if we put everything else in first, the rocks, the big goals, the big dreams never fit. Let me demonstrate this to you in a dynamic demonstration which really tells it all. This is how most people live their lives. 8 hours of water is in here. Okay? 7 hours of sand is in here. Sand being leisure, TV, socializing. 9 hours are the pebbles. You can't get out of work. You got to do the job. You can't do anything about those things, can you? Do you agree? These are your dreams. These are the big things in life. This is being a field vice president. This is quitting your job. This is traveling around the world. This is giving your kids the education they want. This is that vacation home. It doesn't fit in. Somebody stole your dreams. You didn't have room for them. But what if we do it the reverse? And let's put the big things in first. Being a director, leaving your job, giving your kids the education they want, remodeling the house, getting that new car, buying your wife the diamond ring she's always wanted, okay? Taking the kids on a cruise around the world, going skiing in Aspen, living the life, working in your underwear. Okay, a lot of big goals, big dreams. We couldn't fit them in here, could we? But now, you still have to do those things, okay? You still have to drive to work and work. So we still got to put the pebbles in. You can't get out of that, can you? Do you agree? See what happens? And like work, they shake you up and rattle your chain. That's just the way it goes, right, Ant? But can we get it in? Can we fit it in? Well, it might take a little juggling, Dennis. It might take a little shaking it up. But we don't like work anyway. Very good. He got them all in. The dreams are still in there. But wait a minute. We still have to eat, socialize, and have our leisure time, right? Nobody's going to eliminate that from their life, right? You got to sleep. And you're going to socialize and spend some time with your family and friends. So let's see if it fits in. Now, would you agree right now that this is probably more like your life right here? That you haven't been able to fit the dreams in, that they haven't happened because you got all this other stuff happening? How many people agree? Good job. That's pretty amazing. It might take a little planning. It might take a little work, but it's fitting in. There's a little more room in there, right there. Stop eating so much. Hey, you got it. Empty. Okay. But come on, Ann. You still got to sleep, bathe, groom, and dress. Do you agree?
It's going to go. It's going to make it.
We believe you.
It's going to. I will never quit.
Do you believe?
Do you believe?
I believe. Is it done? He did it. Let's give him a hand. Now, yay, Anthony. Do you get it? Do you get it?